health in India is very affordable. We are waiting till the last patient is not over. I don't need to do cocaine. One surgery in a day is enough for me to get high.
तुम पढ़ाई छोड़ो, पेपर पढ़ो. दिस इज वेरी एक्साइटिंग.
See, लक्ष्मी और सरस्वती साथ नहीं चलेगी फिर.
कॉर्निया में आई थिंक कुछ 5 ही लेयर होते थे. अभी रिसेंटली एक 6th लेयर, दुआस लेयर डिस्कवर हुआ.
Anton von Leeuwenhoek made the first microscope and he observed a amoeba. Or when Alexander Graham Bell discovered penicillin because वो laboratory में कर सकते थे. Can you discover penicillin in your house?
कोई MBBS लेके क्या 100 करोड़ तो पहुंच सकता है?
The expenditure is equal to income minus investments. And now just because you are a doctor, you cannot be foolish with your money. जो काम एक इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट करता है वो काम एक डॉक्टर नहीं कर पाएगा. जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा तब तक डॉक्टर का काम रहेगा. बोलने को गलत लगता है बट एक गॉड कॉम्प्लेक्स तो फील होता ही है.
Okay. And that's quite understandable
Okay.
actually. Yeah.
Especially in surgical branches. Especially as you go higher and higher into so ophthalmology is what I can see that I'm sitting on the bench of a lake, you know. Just एक पैर सर्जरी में है, एक पैर मेडिसिन में है मेरा. Very not that deep into surgery. But of course, if I am a cardiac surgeon who's doing a heart transplant, okay, you see I've given this guy new life.
Absolutely. We had Tarun Shetty. I think you must be knowing him.
I've heard of him.
Yeah. वो भी KM से ही heart surgery. So we had an amazing episode with him. But yeah, I get what you're talking about. There's that God complex. And फिर
Second is the rush. When you're doing a surgery, you feel the adrenaline. I don't need to do cocaine.
Yeah, absolutely.
One surgery in a day is enough for me to get high.
चलो ठीक है, ये तो एड्रेस हो गया. टेल मी कि मेडिकल फील्ड में कैसे रहता है ना, कुछ लोगों का कैसे रहता है कि यार ठीक है, आई एम डूइंग सर्जरीज, आई एम व्हाटएवर गिविंग मेडिसिन्स टू पीपल. नया क्या है, नया क्या है, मेरे को कुछ नया करना है, कुछ अलग चाहिए. So what is
Talking from a doctor's perspective?
From a doctor's perspective.
Somebody who's really gotten bored of the routine?
Somebody who's gotten bored of the routine. Yeah, even if he or she did not get bored, but उसको कुछ नया ढूंढना है यार उसमें. कुछ नया करते, कुछ, I don't know.
So you can always become a health entrepreneur. I mean, there are so
but
many.
in your practice, is there something new that you look forward to?
So ophthalmology per se.
देखो मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ.
हाँ.
मैं ना न्यू की क्यों बात करता हूँ, क्योंकि change is something which excites us. That is
True.
one thing. Second thing is something can be as mundane and routine and as boring as possible. Yet, if you try to find something exciting in that, आपको ना गलती से ही सही कभी ना कभी मिल जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, नाउ टेल मी अबाउट यू आर द बेस्ट पर्सन टू टेल मी अबाउट द स्टोरी. बहुत साल पहले तक कॉर्निया में आई थिंक कुछ 5 ही लेयर होते थे. अभी रिसेंटली एक 6th लेयर, दुआस लेयर डिस्कवर हुआ है.
Correct.
मुझे बताओ, कॉर्निया में जो इतना छोटा पार्ट है, हाँ, उसमें कोई देख कैसे नहीं पाया कि ये और एक लेयर भी है. और अभी डॉक्टर दुआ सर ने देख लिया उसको, वो लेयर को उनका नाम मिल गया. दिस इज वेरी एक्साइटिंग.
Very exciting.
बहुत एक्साइटिंग चीज है. एंड आई वॉन्ट पीपल टू गेट एक्सपोज टू दिस एक्साइटमेंट. हेंस मैंने जब वो पेपर्स का पूछा तो आई वॉज नॉट ऑफ द ओपिनियन कि तुम पढ़ाई छोड़ो, पेपर पढ़ो. इट्स जस्ट अ बोन टू थ्रो, अ लॉलीपॉप टू शो.
So see now, you have to see where. So health as a branch, as a field, is a branch which is very heavily influenced by government policies. Okay, so there was a time when there were no private medical colleges. There were only a government medical colleges. Okay, now वो situation में research
करना है, वो थोड़ा vanity जैसा हो गया था.
नहीं, बट हाँ, एंड सो जो मेडिकल कॉलेज का वो टाइम मेन फंक्शन
प्रायोरिटी
वाज,
तुम पहले.
so you had these medical colleges which were actually a tertiary center.
Right.
अभी भी ideally a medical college is supposed to be a tertiary
It is a
center,
tertiary center, no?
but OPD is open to all, no?
हाँ हाँ हाँ
You,
हाँ.
so when we say tertiary center, it means like only those bad, confusing,
cases.
complex cases जो आप routinely नहीं समझ रहा मुझे, I am really scratching my head. You know that tier, okay, if you got malaria, dengue, routine fever, you go to a primary center. Okay, अभी आपको admission की जरूरत है, you probably require 2 days of hospitalization. Go to a secondary. Okay, now you need ICU. Then you send to medical college as a tertiary. That is the structure that is envisioned. In India, it doesn't happen that way.
Right.
All patients are walking in everywhere. You go to Canada or you go to USA. Everybody says उनका health system इतना अच्छा है, तुमको 2 महीने तक MRI का डेट नहीं मिलेगा.
Okay.
You,
अच्छा हो गया MRI का
नहीं
date
अच्छा.
मिलता है.
I mean, it's just a whole. We have just gotten into this phase where we are just blaming that what we have is bad.
Hmm.
Health in India is very affordable
Yes, it is.
and very available.
Hmm.
आपको रात को 10 बजे भी स्पेशलिस्ट मिल जाता है.
मिल जाता है.
You go to USA or you go to UK also for that matter. NHS में डॉक्टर्स एक सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ पेशेंट्स ही देखते हैं, उसके ऊपर नहीं देखते हैं.
Right.
In India, do we have a limit on the patients that we are seeing?
Absolutely
No,
not.
we are waiting till the last patient is not over.
Right.
Be it private practice or be it government practice.
Hmm.
Correct? They are supposed to be tertiary centers.
Hmm.
Now, when you say tertiary means that's when you have only these very difficult patients which are available to you,
Hmm.
where you do the and you find out so whether it's something like orphan disease. You know, orphan disease मतलब very rare disease जिसका आप एक दवाई
right,
ढूंढ रहे हो, या फिर जैसे एक जमाने में बॉम्बे ब्लड ग्रुप डिस्कवर हुआ था केएम में. ओके, सो वी आर लुकिंग एट द एज ऑफ डिस्कवरी ऑफ मेडिसिन वाज एक्चुअली over 100 years back.
Hmm.
No, when the first microscope came, Anton von Leeuwenhoek made the first microscope and he observed a amoeba. Or when Alexander Graham Bell discovered penicillin because वो laboratory में कर सकते थे. Or when malaria was discovered in JJ Hospital. Okay, the pathogen of malaria was discovered in JJ Hospital. KM Hospital में Bombay Blood Group discover हुआ था. So that was the age of discovery in medicine where with simple tools in your laboratory
You could do
that. Now medicine is very sophisticated. You are in pharmac. Can you discover penicillin in your house? No. तुमको 3D formulation drug बनाना पड़ेगा. You have to. So you are into now monoclonal antibodies or immune mediated therapy where it is not possible in your house, in your garden to do it. Like Windows and Microsoft, this Apple, these people did it in their garages.
Right.
Now can anybody do it in the garage? Not possible. World has moved on. So अभी अगर मेडिसिन में जो डॉक्टर दुआ ने किया है, अगर वो किसी को करना होगा, he'll have to really put himself into academic medicine. And then you have to chase where research opportunities are available, which may be in India, which may not be in India. So then you have to be very clear. If you really want to do a work that Dr. Dua has done, then you have to see Lakshmi और सरस्वती साथ नहीं चलेगी फिर. Then you have to put yourself into the academic.
क्योंकि दूसरे फील्ड्स में ऑफन लाइक यू आल्सो प्रीवियसली मेंशन्ड, दूसरे फील्ड्स में तो लक्ष्मी और सरस्वती साथ में चल रहे हैं काफ़ी हद तक.
बिल्कुल.
इंजीनियरिंग में तो चल रहे हैं. यहाँ पे अभी ऐसा एनालिसिस हो रहा है कि लक्ष्मी और सरस्वती साथ में नहीं चल सकते, तो कैन दैट बी अ डिटरेंट?
Not necessarily. Now if you take something like फार्मा को ले लो. जब कोई नया मॉलिक्यूल आता है and they have their window period where it's not open to generics. Your 20-year period when the patent is there on that medicine, your pharma company gets the money out of it. Okay. Now if Aditya Chile were to start Chile Pharmaceuticals, which tomorrow comes up with a wonder drug, जो एक दवाई खाओगे और तुम्हारा जिंदगी का डायबिटीज खत्म हो जाएगा. For 20 years Chile is going to have monopoly on that.
Right.
And Chile is going to make the money out of it. My point is that it was easier to discover these molecules 100 years back because you could do it in your kitchen. Today you need a corporate entity because laws have come up where you can't experiment on people. We know first polio vaccine का क्या story है, Salk and Sibyl का. So Dr. Pasteur, if you go, was the first polio or rabies, I think rabies. Okay, so Dr. Pasteur in France was.
Pasteur was smallpox, na?
Smallpox, multiple smallpox, rabies, everything. I think.
Okay.
I forget which it is. Sorry, my memory is not picking up. But the story is very similar. That he was developing on smallpox. He had developed, and I think even rabies also. We'll have to go
Acha.
through it. Just go through this thing. Forget the name, pasture. Like that's the rabies. Yeah. So a female's son got bitten by a rabid dog, and she took the child to Dr. Pasha. Okay, please, I've heard you probably have something. Please give him. See if it works. Today we cannot do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so of course, because there were a lot of malpractices in the experimentation that people were doing on humans. So humans are not guinea pigs. And when your basic medical requirements of treating a typhoid, a malaria, a heart attack, basically it's covered. So it's the ethics of experimentation is also much stronger now. तो अभी के टाइम पे अगर आपको रियली रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड होना है देन यू ऑफ कोर्स ऑल दिस कंपनीज आर मेकिंग मनी. तो सरस्वती आ तो रही है, आई मीन सॉरी लक्ष्मी तो आ तो रही है विद सरस्वती, बट यू हैव इट्स अ कॉर्पोरेटाइज्ड thing, and it's not as easy as. And even if you see Dr. Salk and Dr. Sabin, when they got their polio vaccine, they didn't put a patent on it. So medicine में usually patent नहीं बनाते हैं लोग. In the drive has never been. You will earn your money through your consulting that you charge to the patients. I earn money from the surgical charges that I have from the patients. Okay, that much amount of money we are entitled to, and which will. So medicine is, as I said, it's a medium branch. You will not have that anxiety कि कल को मैं खाली तो नहीं जाऊंगा.
वो तो है.
Okay, how will I make my ends meet? That is taken care of. You are above that. The day you entered the profession, that anxiety of where is my कल की रोटी कहाँ से आएगी, वो तो आपका खत्म हो गया है. You are in a branch where you are treating patients. Patients are always going to be there. जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा तब तक डॉक्टर का काम रहेगा. ठीक है. अभी बात है कि आप कहाँ पे अपने आप को किस लेवल तक आपका प्रैक्टिस एलिवेट कर सकते हो. That is partly luck and partly your own grit and determination. So there is, like, people tell me वो फील्ड है क्या, वो फील्ड में बहुत पैसा है. अगर वैसे करोगे ना तो I don't think so you are ever going to, because I can show you 10 people in that field who are not making any money, and I can show you 10 people in a field which is supposed to be the worst field and they are really
Making a lot
moving
of
in
money.
Mercedes.
Yeah.
So that's where the second aspect comes, where you have to be smart in your money management also. Once you start earning, that is common across all professions. Once you start getting your paycheck, and now just because you are a doctor, you cannot be foolish with your money. I have been very active with my money management probably since the last 5 years, not because that's when my training ended and I was open. So last 5.5 years का जो मेरा experience रहा in managing my own money has been, you have to be smart with money. They say that one very good formula which I really like, which people which have come up, is that investments, or rather expenditure, is equal to income minus investments. Your investments cannot be income minus expenditure. So if you are following that rule, eventually you will make money. And you can have a decent practice where you are not doing wrong stuff, and just know that okay, I have to invest a certain amount, I have to save my certain amount of money, and I have to moderate my expenditure accordingly.
Acha, but see, like, let's say because of today's social media world, अभी तो social media का ज़माना है. Everybody wants to make money. Everybody wants to make big money. Agreed. चलो, people have dreams. क्या कर सकते?
No harm in dreaming.
No harm in dreaming. अभी वो I want money and I want it now. Almost taboo बन गया है वो. You can't have fast money, which is actually the reality. किसी को वो aspire करना भी नहीं चाहिए. वो अगर कोई कर भी रहा है तो फिर वो he is going to fall on his head. चलो वो ठीक है. I am ready to wait. I am ready to put in the work. Now you tell me, आज के ज़माने में कोई MBBS लेके क्या 100 करोड़ तक पहुंच सकता है? I mean, it's just a hypothetical question.
Starting from, okay, so if you are somebody,
If you're starting from absolutely nothing,
no family background,
nothing.
I'm presuming you come from a middle class family कि तुमको घर तो है तुम्हारे पास अपना, कि वो भी तुमको अपना लेना है.
Assume करो नहीं है.
नहीं है तो फिर बहुत डिफिकल्ट है.
Really?
Yeah. Again, because a lot of this reaching 100 CR or all those things.
Just an arbitrary figure.
Yeah, no, for example, like a really big number is going to come not from your practice. As I said, your daily practice will put food on your table twice a day and give you enough to save beyond that. Okay, these larger expenses or these larger things have to come from the financial commercial aspect of things. जो काम एक इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट करता है वो काम एक डॉक्टर नहीं कर पाएगा.
Okay.
बिकॉज अपना स्केल ही उतना है. मुकेश अंबानी और लेट्स से ही इज टू बिग. लेट्स टेक सम अदर industrialist who's into manufacturing stuff also, some garment manufacturer for example, he's selling shirts or exporting shirts or whatever. That's a very large scale business. Okay, मेडिसिन में आपको वो स्केल पहुंचने के लिए बहुत टाइम जाने वाला है. So unless you are really sure that I'm going to live to 100, practice till I'm 100 and be healthy till I'm 100, then of course you'll reach there. Like if you see a lot of surgeons who are into 70s and 80s fully fit and fine doing surgeries, they are really above all of these people. Okay, I had a patient once who told me, sir, stock market में सिर्फ डॉक्टर का ही पैसा लगा है. डॉक्टर को इतना इनकम है कि वो स्टॉक मार्केट में लगा सकता है. Okay, but now which doctor? Someone who's an intern, someone who's just a post PG, someone who's 10 years of consultant, 15 years. So you have to see at which stage are you. So if you are somebody who does not have a house of his own, also your first priority has to be to buy that house. तुम झुपड़ी में रह के 100 करोड़ का सपना नहीं सोच सकते.
Okay, fun question. Just a wild question. देखो, किसी को कोई बहुत ब्रिलियंट है, हाँ, और he is coming from nothing.
Okay.
अभी उसका गोल है मैं डॉक्टर बनेगा, मेडिकल करेगा, MBBS बनेगा, PG करेगा, whatever. अब उसको लुकिंग एट द नेक्स्ट 5, 10, 20 years, being exposed to the market as you are, तो अब मैं फ्रॉम नथिंग MBBS करके PG करके 100 करोड़ तो कैसे पहुंचूं?
Chase the money.
How?
Again, you have to be very clear. अगर ड्रीम इज कि मैं कल को हेड ऑफ डिपार्टमेंट बनूंगा या किसी मेडिकल कॉलेज का डीन बनूंगा, देन यू आर इनटू अ स्ट्रक्चर्ड सैलरी सिस्टम वेर यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू multiply your money unless you are really doing some tender, passing some tenders or some, you know, like things, those things. But if you are getting a fixed pay, so you are doing 100 surgeries in a day, but if you are in a medical college, you are on a fixed,
नहीं, realistically ये तो
fixed tenure, this you are not going to have. Then you have to be really happy कि I am doing, my drive is to do 100 surgeries in a day, my drive is to treat 100 patients in a day. Okay, when I so you can't have two goals which are so far apart.
Contradicting, yeah.
You can't do that. If you really, your goal is कि मेरे को ये stream में जाके मेरे को 100 CR पहुंचना है, build myself from nothing, then you have to go where the money is. So go where the money is in the sense, if you are working in a government hospital where the pay is lesser, move to a corporate hospital where the pay is more. उससे भी ज़्यादा चाहिए, move abroad. Now, then of course you are going to US, then there is something called as purchasing power parity.
हाँ, नहीं वो अलग हो गया.
Okay.
चलो इंडिया में ही बोलो.
यार तुम्हारी ऊपर, सी थोड़ा लक है. तुमने रिस्क लेके हॉस्पिटल खोल दिया और वो हॉस्पिटल बहुत बढ़िया चल गया,
तो फिर बनाओगे.
Then that's entrepreneurship.
हाँ.
That's not something that Harrison teaches you.
Obviously.
Okay, that is something which will be smart money management or taking your risks for generating the returns that you want. Harrison में there is no chapter on how to make 100 CR. Harrison will teach you how to treat malaria, how to treat stroke, how to treat heart attacks. I went into ophthalmology, I was taught how to do surgery. No, not one consultant, not one lecture on how to make 100 CR. So that is something which is not a part of our curriculum. We were in fact being taught when I was in KEM, मेरे लेक्चरर कंसल्टेंट आके हमको ये सिखाते थे, कल को तुम बड़े कंसल्टेंट बन गए तो ये 10 टाइप के पेशेंट है, इनसे फीस मत लेना.
अच्छा.
Okay, if you see a patient whose sadi is torn,
तो मत लेना.
who's come with a child to you, who's sick, जिसका साड़ी भी फटा हुआ है, जिसके गले में मंगलसूत्र नहीं है, एक सिर्फ काला धागा है, don't take your charges.
So that comes under morals and ethics.
So
तो
No, so my point is that our teaching has always been to be compassionate towards people, to look for people from whom we will not charge.
बराबर बराबर
Making 100 CR or whatever is people say smart business, where you're looking to maximize your revenue. Okay, so then that has to be done from a businessman point of view. You can't merge the two. अगर आप businessman point of view से करने जा रहे हो, of course then you have to be very clear. Okay, 90% of my work is actually going to be where I do not, when I really do not look at the other aspect of the patient. Okay, I am a surgeon. These are my surgical charges. You have to pay me the surgical charges because ये मेरा seniority है. Okay. 90% मैं ये काम करूंगा या 100% भी ये काम करूंगा. If you can't afford my surgical charges, don't come to me. You go to a very big shot lawyer, you can't afford his fees, he'll not fight your case. It's not compulsion. You can even do it, okay, 90% ये करूंगा, 10% charity करूंगा. Where in those patients, I'm not looking at my returns.
right
That is for my soul.
right
So that's up to you. You will be able to scale up. That's
बट
up
देन
to
सो मतलब आपका कहने का मतलब है कि देन फिर अपना जो डिग्री लो, थोड़ा सा प्राइवेट में प्रैक्टिस करो, फिर खुद का डाल दो, खुद का क्लिनिक, खुद का हॉस्पिटल डाल दो, या लेट्स से उससे ब्रांचेस डाल दो, एंड दैट इज द वे. तो वो बिजनेस हो गया मतलब.
See, what we are doing right now is we are counting the chicken before the eggs have hatched.